Okay guys, so today we are showing a property in Fort Washington, Maryland, and I really love this comment here from the property in Upper Marlboro. It says, townhouse for $2,900 is wild, and renting, listen, I know it's so a lot for us to understand that rent has gotten this high, because that's exactly why I pulled my camera out yesterday and shared what I shared, because people think that realtors like myself telling you that buying makes more sense than renting. Some people think that we're saying that just because we are realtors. Like I addressed, we get paid our commission whether the person is renting or buying. Okay, so it really doesn't make a difference. There is that. Number two, what's so funny is that there were a bunch of people who were like, oh my God, I would never pay $2,900 for a townhouse. Well, y'all, we are in Fort Washington, Maryland. This is a 5-bedroom, 5-bath, single-family home. There are no houses touching. And this property is going for $3,900 a month. $3,900. You're going to have to earn 3 times the rent, and you will need a 680 credit score or higher for every adult that is applying for this house. And again, the same thing like the townhouse, all of this grass that you see here, it's going to be your responsibility to cut the grass, okay? When I go in to lock up the house, I'll show you guys the back of the house, and I'll take you through a quick tour if I can, because I have another property to be at. But all of this is going to be your responsibility, all right? You're going to have to maintain the property. You got to pay for your own electric, pay for your own gas, pay for your own water, okay? I didn't look at the specs on the house, but this house is at least 2,800 square feet, if not more. And you're going to have to maintain all the utilities for this house and pay $3,900 a month in rent. Earn 3 times that in your annual salary, combined or single. This is the market in the DMV. And there were so many great comments in that last video. I'm going to try to make a video for all of my favorites, but just to sum this video up, the reason why the requirements are this high, guys. Okay, guys, so here is the inside of this $3,900 home. Personally, in my opinion, I know you guys might not like what I'm about to say, but I think that $3,900 a month is a fair rent for someone that has to rent the property. Hold on, y'all. If you know, you know, right? You better have your protection when you have a sliding door. But so here's what I was telling you guys about the backyard. All of this is going to be your responsibility to maintain. There's not a lot of grass back here, so it shouldn't be that difficult to maintain. And the deck has been well kept as well. It looks like they painted over. It's a very large deck, as you can see. Okay, guys. All right, so $3,900, even though you may think that that's a lot, this owner has really done some great renovations in here. And for a 5-bedroom, 5-bath home, this is actually a great price, because even if you got a mortgage, this house would probably be selling around $650,000. Your mortgage on today's rate, the mortgage would probably be somewhere around $3,400 a month, okay? So this landlord isn't being greedy, guys. That was one of the main comments I saw on the last video. And it's not about the landlord being greedy, it's about the landlord wanting to protect their asset. So that's why the qualifications are what they are. All right. And that is, hold on, y'all. Okay, so the qualifications are to protect the landlord. I don't think I showed y'all the garage. The qualifications are to protect the landlord and protect their asset, okay? It's the same thing that a lender is doing when they're checking for your credit and they're making sure that you earn what you say you earn. This is all to protect the asset, guys. So, you know, look at these bedrooms. We're down in the basement. I just wanted to show you guys the house before I finish my think piece. But everything in here is brand new. Today's house, listen, if I had a family and I wasn't ready to settle down or get a mortgage, you even have extra space over here. If I wasn't ready to get a mortgage, I would rent this house, but not long term, definitely not long term. Let's go, babes, because you're gonna be throwing money away and you're literally building wealth for another family, okay? Worst case scenario, this person's mortgage is $3,400 and you're paying them $3,900 a month. Not only are you paying their mortgage, but you're creating a nice little savings for them every month. You know, you multiply 400 by 12, that's how much money they're making off of you for renting their property. So here is the master bedroom. This house is $3,900, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. Okay, here's the other bedroom, bathroom upstairs. Here we go. Bedrooms are all really good size. Closet, because I know somebody gonna be like, dang, she ain't showed us the closet. There you go. Closet, okay, corner room. Great size rooms, guys. The landlord put in new filters. Here you are, here is your foyer. This is a win. Would I wanna rent a house for $3,900? No. But if I had to rent, let's go down, guys. If I had to rent a house, I would rent a house like this, but just know that it's gonna cost you more than it would if you were the actual owner, okay? Because let me show you outside. Look at this outside. You have to maintain all of that grass in the front yard, okay? So not only are you maintaining all of this house, you gotta maintain the land and the utilities. But y'all tell me if y'all think this townhouse we just walked through today is worth $3,900. But just know that you're paying $3,900 as a renter and not a owner, so you make no equity, okay? And the mortgage on this house is $3,400. Therefore, you will be earning equity plus the money you're making off of your renter every month. All right, bye. Guys, I'll be back with another video. Bye.